Hi, my name is Petter and I'm the product engineer here at Blueye Robotics. Today I want to show you the Blueye high capacity battery, a game changer for your underwater operations. With over double the runtime of our standard battery, the high capacity battery can give you over 5 hours of operating time, offering extended dive times for uninterrupted operations. It is compatible with all Blueye ROV models and it now has LED lights indicating the battery status. It also has a more durable outer design now with a sturdy handle. The battery is easily swappable in under 2 minutes. You can either take the battery out of the drone and charge it with our USB-C charger, or you can charge the battery inside of the drone itself. The battery is custom designed and fully certified, ensuring reliability for every mission. If you want to know more about the Blueye high capacity battery, check out our article on blueyerobotics.com. Thank you.